Hi, welcome to North London Allotment on this really lovely autumn morning. Jobs today involve harvesting the last 3 squash. First job today though will be clearing this to put more onions in. I have been putting it off. It's been covered but there's still like thick grass underneath. I'm not looking forward to it. Slugs. Oh, big slugs. Now I don't mind putting this in the compost, but I don't want anything with roots because they could still regrow. And I really do need to get this half of the allotment starting to look like it's going to be all cultivated, because I've had it, I think in December I've had this half a year, so most of it has been covered for that time. But I do need now to keep the committee and everyone happy, show that I'm using this. So I'm going to start with the front, move back, and along here I'm hoping to have strawberry beds. It's got random strawberries everywhere that I'd really like concentrated in one place. A lot of grass seed here, a lot. because of course when my plot neighbour next door and I trimmed this, we trimmed mine and this half, the people who had this half didn't come back, so it regrew. So we've got more weed seed, which is nice. Not 30. Oh, ant's nest. Fluing ant's nests everywhere. Oh, bindweed. Better get something to put that in. This may take a while. I'll see you in a bit. I love this. I've got like the whole site to myself, just me and the birds. Have a listen. So that's done. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be actually. The ground cover has certainly saved me some work, but when you get to about here, This is all just clay. It's not like any proper topsoil or anything, it's just clay. I've moved some soil over, but gonna need some compost. Even the bindweed didn't go any further than that. Now we need to get rid of these tomatoes to use the compost on that bed over there. I am going to put these in the compost. I have had blight on tomatoes, but it's fine. A lot of people take it down the tip or something, but Charles Dowding composts it and did a bit of extra reading. It's fine. So I'm doing it. This is diluted bokashi juice, and I'm just going to sprinkle that over the bed. Bit of a fertiliser. And now I can put the rest of my onions in. Go. Onions in. So now the whole of the front has something growing in it. It's really raining, so I thought I'd stop, have a cup of tea, clear a space to put my chair up in the shed, have some lunch, and I've just found my secateurs. Looking out the window, look down, there they are! So because of the rain, I will see you next time. Have a good time until then. Bye bye.